third of my 5 must-have mods for the new 6th Gen 4Runner. And today is these bad boys, but it's not this ugly giant fisheye that I usually use on every single truck that I have. It's one of my first mods I usually do. I run up to O'Reilly's, I grab the biggest damn mirror that I can find because I like to see everything around the corners, and especially with my truck being so wide, I need that wide angle fisheye lens, whatever the thing is. I need it. But as I was scrolling through Instagram, I came across a new modification that I'm pretty psyched on that gives it a much more OEM natural look and comes with a couple extra perks. And that is going to be from Aspire Accessories. These are going to be upgraded wide angle mirrors. So I'm super excited to get these on the truck, and I think they definitely deserve that 3rd spot. Let's get them on the truck. All right, so step 1, using my squeegee here to pry into the center and kind of angled it throughout the little groove, and eventually the clips kind of pop themselves off and I got it off. Be very, very careful here because you could just feel the plastic wanting to break. So you're gonna see one white plastic one, kind of use the screwdriver to pry it out while slowly pulling from the back, from the front side I mean, and just keep applying pressure, it's gonna pop. And nothing broke. So that's always a win. All right, so up next, I'm putting the sticky part right where it says to put it and the only place that it fits. So not too difficult, stick where it sticks. All right, so smaller flathead and a little bit more maneuvering around, trying to just get all 4 of those plastic pieces snapped back in. It went in and still nothing's broken. All right, so up next, I went ahead and just plugged in that little thing connector that we took out already. All right, so next we have a pink and white wire. Take supplied connectors. I got vice grips. I can't find my needle nose. So now that I have those connected, I'm gonna put the red one to the pink one like I just did, and then the black one to the white one. Boom. Let's test it. Oh yeah, they work. All right guys, so there you go. That is from Aspire Auto Accessories. We have wide angle mirrors and they look awesome. I can see everything behind me. This is way better than my fish lens. So I hope you guys like my 3rd of 5 must-have mods for the 6th Gen 4Runner. Stay tuned because the number 4 is coming up next. How freaking cool are these mirrors? Like, this is the greatest thing ever.